In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Fibonacci retracement in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to locate the Fibonacci retracement tool and add it directly to your chart. Then adjust its settings to match your preferences. First, go to Robinhood Legend. Once you're on the platform, move your attention to the top center area of the screen where the main tool icons are displayed. In this section, look for the Fibonacci retracement icon among the available chart tools. Take your time to locate it as it will be grouped with other drawing and analysis tools. Once you find the Fibonacci retracement icon, click on it. After clicking, choose where you want to position it on the chart. Once selected, the tool will be added directly to your chart and the Fibonacci levels will appear. Move to the chart area where the levels are now visible. From here, you can adjust how the tool appears and behaves on your chart. Next, locate the Settings option for the Fibonacci retracement tool and click on Settings to open the customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, you will be able to adjust the appearance and configuration of the Fibonacci levels. This includes modifying how the tool is displayed on your chart. Make any changes you need within the Settings panel to match your preferred setup. Once you are finished, close the Settings panel to return to the main chart view. The Fibonacci retracement tool will remain active on your chart with the updated settings applied. You can continue working within Robinhood Legend while the tool stays visible on your chart. That is how you add Fibonacci retracement in Robinhood Legend, place it on your chart, and customize it using the Settings menu.